Looking for the perfect toasters? Here's what you need to know. The Cuisinart 4-slice toaster is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants versatile toaster. The compact design of this Cuisinart 4-slice toaster fits comfortably on your countertop and offers custom controls to toast, defrost, and reheat bread, bagels, and pastries to perfection. Designed to help you superior operation. With 2 control panels, dual 6-setting browning dials, and dedicated reheat, defrost, and bagel buttons with LED indicators. Toasting is effortless and precise. Great choice if you need must-have features. This Cuisinart toaster includes extra lift carriage lever, slide-out crumb tray for quick cleanup, convenient cord wrap, and instructional booklet. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.